I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. This tutorial is going to be about how you can manage trashed orders on the WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin. Managing trashed orders, especially when you want to assign a specific status to them, is a kind of time-consuming task in the WooCommerce because you need to first restore them and then also change their status one by one. Well, the good news is that you can manage all of the trashed orders directly on the WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin. Now, to make it easier for you to do the filtering, there is a status drop-down in the quick search, which actually helps you to filter the orders with that status if you just click on it. For example, here we have all of the available statuses, which are all, cancelled, trashed, and etc. You can also see the number of orders with that status and the status drop-down. Now, to filter the orders which belong to each status, you just need to click on your preferred item, and here we want to manage trashed orders, so we should click on the trash items to filter them. To delete the trash orders permanently, you can easily hover over the recycle icon on the toolbar and then choose the empty trash item. Now, when you open the trash tab, you'll see the recycle icon and the trash item on the main page. But you should be careful when you want to use the empty trash button to delete the trash orders, because when you delete orders in this way, you won't have access to them anymore. It's also possible to restore one or more trash orders directly from the order table. To do this, you can directly click on Restore for each row or mark the orders you want to restore in the table. Just like how we're gonna mark these orders. And then, as you can see, the store options will be available when you hover on the recycle icon on the top of the table. Now, by clicking on Restore, your orders will be restored and they won't be in the trash anymore. You can change the order status too by clicking on the status field and then change their status if you need.